Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Quizlet with multiple choices. So let's get straight into it. Now we will create the new flashcard. So I will go right here really quickly. Now we can type in the title. So something like that. We can put this description. Okay. Now we need to have question and answers. So let's do that. Okay, so let's go with that one here. And now we need here also the uh, definition. So let's put some answers right here. So this one, and then you can see here add multiple choice option, just like that. And then we have this one, and which I didn't put it here like that. And yeah, that's basically create and practice. You must have at least 2 cards. Okay, so let's put something, choose language here. Now we need to add another one. So I put one here, now that we just can create. Okay, weird. Okay, start learning. So now you can see we have basically the okay, that's not right. So Ottawa needs to be the first one. So how do we fix that? Just go back, and right here we will switch to this one, and we can change here and add Mexico City right here. This is basically how you can add multiple choice options. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.